Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Welcome to another chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center. Today we'll be talking about two verbs, hacer and poner. So hacer means to do or to make and poner means to put. Here verbs have the endings o, es, a, emos, eis, en. But what makes hacer and poner so special? So these are irregular ER verbs with only yo form of the conjugation being different from the normal ER verb ending. Alright? So yo form of hacer is, if it would have been a normal ER verb, the present tense conjugation would have been aso. Remember, yo form ending was o, aso, but that's not the case. Yo form differs over here or is different from the normal ER verbs like comer, beber. So your form of hacer is hago. I do, I make, hago. Rest of the conjugations are completely the same like normal ER verbs. So two form becomes haces. Usted form hace. Nosotros form hacemos. Vosotros form hacéis. And ustedes form hacen. So let's repeat one more time. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. I do, you do, he do, she do, you do, we do, you all do, they do, or you all do. Now coming on to the verb poner, which means to put or to put on. Like, I put things in my suitcase. Or have you put on the weight? The verb over here is poner. So just like hacer, only the yo form would be different from the normal ER verb. So yo form is pongo. So now if you look at the yo form of both hacer and poner, now you see why we have both of them set next to each other. It's go that's added to it. Hago, pongo. Rest of the conjugations will follow the normal ER verb pattern. Pones, you put. Pones, you put on. He puts, she puts, you put. Pone, we put. Ponemos, you all put. Ponéis, they put or you all put. Ponen. So hacer and poner. Hacer means to do or to make. Poner, which means to put or to put on. Only thing that makes them special is their yo form in the present tense. That is different from the normal ER verb conjugation. Let's try using them in few sentences. Very common question in our day-to-day life. We have unexpected visitors. We say, what are you doing here? So, what is K? Are you doing? So, you are asking someone. It can be in informal way or it can be in formal way. So, you can use either tu form of hacer or usted form. So, and aquí is here. So, ¿qué haces aquí? Or you can write ¿qué hace aquí? And this, so we know it is or in Spanish. ¿Qué haces aquí? Or ¿qué hace aquí? Any form you can ask the question. If there are a group of people you are asking to, what are they doing here? So, ellos or ellas form of hacer, hacen. ¿Qué hacen aquí? What are they doing here? ¿Qué hacen aquí? So another meaning of hacer is to make. So yes, you want to say, I make paintings. So your form of hacer, hago. And painting is pintura. So hago pinturas. So because we are talking about multiple paintings, we added s towards the end of the word. Hago pinturas. I make paintings. We make salad. So nosotros form of hacer, hacemos. And salad is ensalada. Ensalada. Hacemos ensalada. We make salad. Hacemos ensalada. Now, few examples of poner. You want to say, I put sugar in tea. So, I put is pongo. And sugar is azúcar. Azúcar. Tea is té. Té. It's a masculine noun. So, we write el before it. Pongo azúcar en el té. I put sugar in tea. Pongo azúcar en el té. Where do you put the key? Where is donde? Donde? Very important word, or very important term to actually ask a question. You want to ask, where are you? ¿Dónde estás or dónde está? We'll discuss that in few chapters from now, but right now we know. ¿Dónde is where? Do you put? So it can be again informal or formal way. So pones or pone. ¿Dónde pones la llave? So llave is key. Where do you put the key? ¿Dónde pones la llave? So these are the few examples we had for hacer and poner, and we saw that it's just the yo form that is different from regular er verb. Add these verbs to your dictionary, go out there and practice it. And I'll see you in the next lesson.